welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So this week I wanted to take you through what I'll be doing for Christmas this year, in terms of my art anyway. I'm sure you're not bothered what my plans are for Christmas. I usually do something like baubles or calendars and things like that. This year I'm going to do two things. So I'm going to be doing the calendars as per usual, and I'll be doing either a landscape range or film scene range or indeed other range. I'll do a few different ranges, different variations of types of calendar. Some people like the desktop ones that hold up, others like the ones that pin in the wall. So I'll do a couple of different varieties for you. And you can select which 12 pictures you'd like in your calendar for next year. Also, I'll be doing special commissions this year as well. I've started something that I'm going to call portrait landscapes, where it's going to be difficult to talk about it before you've actually seen the video of it. So I'm going to show you the picture that I'm going to be painting before I finish it off, sort of thing. I've signed it and everything, ready to show you the time lapse in a second, but I'm going to add a little bit of detail to it at the end as well. I'm calling these portrait landscapes, and the idea is to have a mountain landscape but have the outline of it to be meaningful in some way to you. So my portrait landscape, for example, is this, which you'll see me paint in a second. Right here. So it's like a mountain range, but it's also a profile of those children. I've been a bit kinder on my nose because I like my nose, but that's me. So the hair and the eyes and the nose and the chin. Yeah, that's me. So for these, what you would do is you just send me a picture of you or your loved one or your family's side profile, and I would make that the mountain range and make a mountain range out of that. Do a sky of your choice, whether you want a cloudy sky or a stormy sky, or sunlight, sunset, sunrise, whatever. And the colour choice is, if you want some snow on. I might put some snow on at the end of this video, so you haven't seen all of it. This is just a mountain with shade in a minute, but I might add to it. So calendars is one choice, but the more expensive choice and the classier choice, if you ask me, is to have your own commission that's a portrait landscape of your family or of yourself or whatever. Looks like a mountain landscape, but if people were to turn it outside, they would say, "Oh my goodness, that's you." Isn't that beautiful? Well, yours might not be as beautiful as me because I'm beautiful. So, I'll add to that just so it doesn't spoil the surprise and you don't have to watch a time-lapse video of the picture you've already seen. I'll put some snow on it. But add some snow, you know what I mean? Make it more realistic. So those are your two options. I'm doing the calendars thanks to Photobox. This here channel is sponsored by Photobox. Photobox are the best people to go to in terms of any kind of photo gift products for you, but more so as an artist. If you want prints sorted or if you want merchandise created for your artwork, then definitely check Photobox out.
Photographs. You could call them memories, but to me they're invites. To more together time, to the good times. The no one does it like us times. To the stories we've yet to make.
What stories will you make this Christmas? Photobox.
If you would like to order a calendar, they will be all set for Christmas, and just let me know what you want and what pictures you want and what form you want it in, and I'll do the rest and get it to you before, we'll say for December 1st we'll get to you for. And if you want a commission, definitely let me know before then, so I can get it done and it can dry as well. Oil paint takes a few weeks to dry, so let me know whether you would like just yourself or your partner or your family. If you wanted a family, you could have you, your partner, and even your kids on the mountain range below as well. It could look pretty special. But let me know if you'd like that. Price range, let's see. For a canvas that size, which is like roughly A3, that would be £50. Okay, £50, but it's personalised to you and your family or your loved one. And I'll take care of postage and stuff. Don't worry about that. Right, let's get to it, shall we? You've already seen the picture, so this won't take long. But stay tuned to the end because I will be putting a few bits of detail on as well. I'll also be doing abstract versions as well in the near future, not just skies. So keep an eye out for that if abstract is more your thing. But hey ho, it's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.